Hey everybody, this truck here, you might think you know what it is, but it's actually named the Imposter. This is a 2018 Peterbilt with the new X15 Performance Series Cummins. We're going to do a little bit of demo action here for you today. We'll run this truck under stock horsepower settings with our Performance Twin setup on it and show you what kind of horsepower it makes. Then we'll do some PDI tuning and show you the type of horsepower that's available through the X15 and the Performance Twin setup. Take a good look at the truck, beautiful 2018. Up front here you'll see our Performance Twins, all fully functional through a set of 8-inch exhaust. Runs really good with the Performance Twin series on here. You're lowering your intake air temperatures as well as your exhaust gas temperatures, giving you good, reliable, usable power to increase your performance and your efficiency. Alright, hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the videos watching this new 2018 Peterbilt with the new X15 Cummins running on our chassis dyno here. We showed you a couple of runs with this truck. We ran it with the factory tuning, very respectable horsepower, torque was good on it. We put in our PDI innovative tuning, which utilizes all of the factory components on this engine in conjunction with our Performance Twins. In order for that to be possible, we slowed down the variable geometry turbo right about 20% from what it comes from the factory. That makes optimum airflow through the Performance Twins, keeping the intake air temperature and exhaust gas temperatures low while maintaining good power. The second run you saw, 660 horsepower, that's to the wheels with around 2,200 foot-pounds of torque. Again, using all the factory components that this engine came with from the factory. So we're very excited here at PDI to have innovative new products like this. Please reach out to us for any questions you have regarding the new 2018 X15 Cummins. Have a great day.